Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Okay,
Okay.
what it would be, you have to say. Okay,
Yes.
first I am writing how many times? 4, 4, 4. When you add these 4s, what would be the answer?
4, 4,
4,
8,
4, 8,
12,
12,
20.
20. Okay, very good. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to
15.
15. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equal to
28.
how many times I added 4s?
5 times.
5 times. If I give 100 times, can you add like that itself? No. What you do? 5 times added. 5 times. What added?
4.
4 added. Then it becomes 20. Instead of writing 4 times plus plus plus, it is easy to write 5 times 4. Isn't it?
Yes.
In the same way, this one also can be written in another way.
5
What
times
it could
3.
be?
5 times 3.
5 times 3. Going to be 15. The answer will be same. In the same way, this one 7
Times 4.
4 times 7
4 times 7.
times 7 are 7 times 4. Both are equal actually. But if I write 7 times 4, that will be another. But answer would be same. If you
Yes.
write 7 times 4 equal to 4 times 7 also.
Yes.
This is going to be 28. These are actually additions. Additions are, in another way we can say, some of multiplications it came as.
Oh.
When you solve. Understood? In the same way, we are going to write some numbers. I will let you know what are the numbers. When I say you just will come to 9th, 6th grade, you already done it. If I write 2, 2, 2. Multiplication. How many times I am multiplying this 2?
3 times.
3 times. Is it
3 times 2.
equal? If it is 3 times 2, what would be the answer?
6.
6. If you multiply 2 times 2
4.
and
Again 2. 8.
is it equal?
No.
So this answer is
Wrong.
wrong. So how can we write this one in any manner? Do you remember? In
Yes.
6th grade you have done.
Yes.
3 times
two.
we are doing. Means 2 raised.
Yes.
2 raised power of how many times? To the power of
3.
3 times. Yeah, very good. Power. 2 raised to the power of 2 power 3. Simple we can say actually. This is called which form?
Powers.
Powers and exponents also you can say. Now you are going to learn about powers and exponents. Okay? I am going to teach about this lesson, powers and exponents. This is 11th lesson. Okay. Now I will give some examples. Bihar. You know Bihar?
Yes.
In 2011 census, as per the 2011 census, the population of Bihar is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count.
10 crores.
10 crores. Okay. How many zeros are there?
8.
8 zeros are there. You can write this one 10 times 10.
100.
Means 100 is going to be 10 times 10. 1000. 10 into 10 into
10.
10. Again,
10,000.
how many times we can write? How many zeros
8
are
times.
there?
8
Here 2
times.
zeros are there, 2 times 10. Here 3 zeros are there, 3 times. In the same way, 8 zeros are there. How many times we can write this 10?
8 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I wrote 2 3 times, what happened? The 2
power.
raised to the power of 3
3.
you told. Now 10 raised to the power of
8.
very good. To the power of 8 means it can be written as 10 to the power of
8.
okay. Sometimes in the exercise you have 10 power 8 they give. You have to write 10 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of. In exercise you have to do such type of problems are there. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Do you have any doubt about it?
No.
Okay. Now in vacuum the speed of light is given. I will write. After 3, 8 zeros are there. 8 seconds given. I will see. Meter per second. Okay. How many zeros are there?
8.
8 zeros are. But 3 also there. How can we write this one?
3 power to the power of 8.
3 power? Yeah. Very good. 3 into. Now just 3 separately you have to write. Next these all are into 3 into 10. 30.
Yes.
How many zeros are that many tens you have to write, isn't it?
Right.
10 into
10.
8.
8 times.
8 times you have written. For 3 there is no power.
Yes.
Simply I am writing. Means 1 is there. 1. Okay. But just leave it. 10 raised to the power of
8.
8 meter per second. In second it travels this many meters. Got it?
Okay.
So far we have done all this is 10 we have done.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to say one thing. What is the base? What is the power? Here, come to this one. 10 is called base. 10 is base. 8 is called
Power.
power. Got it? Base is 10. So far all the bases are 10. On 10 only we have worked.
Yes.
Now I am going to give some other bases. If I give 2, 2 raised to the power of 2,
5.
3, 4, 5. 5. Means here you can write 2. Means this is not 10. Isn't it? If 10 is given, then also you can change it 2 and 5s also. I will let you know later. If I give 3, what to write?
3 to the power of 3.
3 to the power of
3.
3. What is the value of this one? 3 3 times 9. 9 3 times
27.
27. Sometimes they give this value, you have to find powers. Sometimes they give powers, you have to find the value of the given powers. Okay, got it? I am writing one thing. So far, okay, this is very good. Like that you have done. But if I am writing A. How many times I wrote? 1, 2, 3?
4.
4 times I wrote. Now, what to write? What will be the base? What will be the power? A.
4.
Here 2 raised means 2. How many times we wrote that went on power?
Yes.
Here base is A. There is no other number we wrote. Got it? How many times we wrote?
4 times.
4. So it is just when you pronounce it, how to read it? A
to
power 4.
4.
Okay, got it? Any doubt?
No.
No. Now I am writing 5 into 5 into 5 into L times I am writing. How many times?
L times.
Here A we have written how many times?
4.
A 4 times. So base is A and power is
4.
4. In the same way, 5 I wrote. How many times I wrote?
L time.
L times I wrote. Means base is, base what?
5.
5. How many times?
L times.
L times. How to write this one? 5. Base is what we are multiplying. That is base. How many times we wrote? That went. That you have to write in the power.
Power of
5 power?
L.
You have to read it as 5 power L. Okay. X, X, X. I am multiplying m times. How to write this one?
X.
Base is X. How
Power
many
is,
times?
Power is M.
M. X power
M.
M. First, what we are multiplying, that you write. How many times? M times, N times. Like that also they give. Any doubt from this?
No.
Shall we solve some problems are given in this? Okay, examples actually, but I write at the board and we can solve them too. What's squared and cubed? What is squared? What is cubed? As you told about 100. 10 into
10.
10 means how much it would be? 10 square. Why 10 square I told? 10 to the power of 2 I have to say, no?
Yes.
But what happened? If the power is raised 2 and 3, there are special names. It is called, if it is 2, you can say as square. 10 squared. 10 square simply. Okay? If it is 3 times, then 10 cubed.
Cubed.
Means 10 cube you can say. Okay, any doubt? If I write 2 power 2, what to pronounce it?
2 squared.
2 squared. 2 cubed. 5
Squared.
5
Cubed. 6 to
6
the
raised to the power of 4. Got it? These are called squared and cubed. Next, as I told, I give some examples. We can solve them on the board itself. Just orally also you can say some of them. How easy these all are? Okay? How to say this one?
P7.
P power? P7 not. P power?
7.
How to write? P how many times you have to write?
7 times.
Expanded form. This is called. Okay? Got it? L4. Base is what? L. Power is?
4.
How to write?
L power 4.
Yeah, L into L into L into L. L power
4.
4. What we are doing here?
L
We are expanding.
Okay.
This is called expanded form. What it is? Of expanded
form.
If they give, write in expanded form, p power 7, no? Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to expand in such a manner. This is exponential form we have to write, because already it is in expanded form. But here what we are doing? We are just writing in exponential form, nothing but powers. When you write in powers, that is called exponential form. Write in exponential form. Any doubt from this? S power 9. How to write S power 9?
S into
S into S into S
into S
into S into S S into S into S. 9 times you have to write. And remaining you can do. You just orally you can say.
S Z into Z into Z.
Very good. D power 5.
D
D
into
into D into how many
D
times you have to
5
write?
times.
5 times. Got it? These are called exponential. No, just okay, expanded form. Now we are going to solve exponential form. These are expanded form. Got it?
Yes.
Expansion. Yeah, and when you were 5th grade, you did know 300 and something like that expanded form you wrote. In the same manner, powers how to write in expanded form. Okay, now exponential form. Exponential means they give expanded, it was given in expanded form, you have to change it into exponential form. How many times we have to write here?
N times.
If you get base and times, if you get confusion, it is better to write. First you have to write what you are multiplying. That is called base. Base is A. And times, how many times you wrote? L times. And here base is 5. How many times you wrote? N times. Base is Q. Q power?
15.
15. R power?
B times.
B. Over. How easy? Okay. How to write remaining numbers? They give some numbers. 450, 220, 120, whatever is the number is given, you have to write in exponential form. Okay, here it is given one number 450 they have given. Express the following numbers in exponential by using the factorization.
450.
Ah.
How can we write?
Express in exponential form by using factorization method. We have to factorize it. In 5th grade you have done. When you take LCM and HCF, okay.
Prime factorization.
Prime factorization itself you have to do. The 0 is there, so 10 you can't write directly. Usually you do with 2, isn't it? 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Now 5 only. 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja. Again 5.
5 nines.
Nines. Now
3
threes. Now
3 ones.
1 over. 450 can be written as in the form of factorization. Prime factorization means 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into
3.
3. Very good. Over. Okay. How to write this one in exponential form? 2. How many 2's are there?
1 2.
1 2 is there. So we cannot do 2 directly. We write 5. 2 times it came. I told you. Base is 5. How many times it is there, that will be written in the powers. How many times it repeated? 2 times repeated, you write in this way. Got it? But when you pronounce it 5 square, 3, how many times?
3 square.
This is the, this is in the form of exponential. Exponents, powers k means exponential form. Any doubt from this? Such type of problems are given. Next class we can do some more problems. Okay?
Okay.
So far what you have learnt, do you remember?
Expanded.
Powers and exponents. Powers means any number, how many times it repeats by multiplying. That is also not addition, not subtractions. That is okay. It is multiplied by how many times. It shows that exponent. 2 square means it shows that how many times we multiply it. Got it?
Yes.
And variables, with variables also we have done L times, N times. Next what we have done, 5 L times, T times, R, number, variable, all the things we have learnt in this class. From now onwards, problems we will get into the 11.1 exercise. Okay, we have to do this exercise problems.